Okay, alright, we're gonna do this. How you doing? Checking our megabits per second, turning up our light a little bit. 2, attitude, angle, range, because we're in fast, and that means it stops like that. We're in the TELLO, the DJI TELLO, so of course it stops and levels, as you can see from my puppy, who is bored by this, doesn't even care. Unerratic, angry little sounding mini Beetle 1. Alright, let's do this. Start out slow because I'm doing a demo, so I'm nervous. I'm going to try to do a flight at least once a day. Just how can you know how amazing this thing is unless you can just look. So I'm not going to do telemetry or specs or the fancy little chip that's in there. Wow, we got a phone call.